What's going on there, guys? Beham Productions here, and we're back with another vlog. So today I just had work, and right now I'm going to pick up Jason. We're heading over to Brent's house because it's his last day in town. He's leaving for college. He's going to North Central to play baseball, so congrats to Swents. So we'll be over there soon. Just thought I'd bring out the camera, you know? Not doing anything crazy, but might as well film. But yeah, I'm picking up Jason right now. Tomorrow, what we got going on, me and Danny might be going mini golfing at this really cool place. So if we do, that's going to be the video. If not, then we'll figure something else to do. Also, I just announced my new series that's coming out called Beham Movie Reviews.
As far back as I can remember, I always wanted to be a gangster.
There is no something I'm really excited for because I do watch a lot of movies daily, and it's a big part of my life as I'm interested in movie making, and one day hopefully I want to write my own movies. So yeah, and we're pulling up at Jason.
Is this a Beham Prod type of thing, eh?
How you doing?
Pretty good, how about you?
Holy pretty stick. Is that really bright?
Yeah.
I can't believe this is such an OG video.
Yeah.
That last time we were here for that, and it was literally like what?
2-3 weeks ago.
Not even 3 weeks ago. Yeah, that's insane.
Yeah, we're at Swance's house doing the same old thing that we did last time in my cup pong trick shots video.
But my hands stand up every time that you are mentioned. Lately I feel
And I'm mucking on some Subway. Look at that. Ooh, ooh. Swance is leaving tomorrow. What do you got to say, Brent?
Keep up the good work, Beham.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Prod.
He will be missed, but he will not be gone forever. He will be back.
Gotta come see a North Central game.
Yeah,
for a
we're gonna
video.
definitely come seeing some North Central games, and of course, we still have to live with this guy here for a little bit longer. Just kidding.
That's 2-1.
That was to prove it.
2-1.
We're not losing, it doesn't matter how many cups you get. Yeah, you're right. From
I can't even see. They look the same.
Dude, today they dilated my eyes, and I was,
Yeah, I know, it's bad.
I don't remember it.
It's
I was
with-
sitting in the
with
thing and
any-
they
oh,
laid
they
it out,
also-
I was like, whatever.
Also, at my eye doctor, they told me that they got stronger dilation
Oh, really?
Nice.
solution.
Like,
She
driving
said,
like
I know,
this.
you
"This is
can't
gonna be
see."
awful. You're not gonna be able to see at all." Don't put that in your video. You're gonna bleep that out.
We're running up the poker. Justin, Brent, and me, and then the dealer right here. Jason.
Certified killer.
We're playing for $2 or $6. Winner has to vet. Winner gets all. Yeah.
Take your money. Till then, my darling, please wait for me. Till then, no matter when.
Alright, so fun night with the boys last night. Swance is now off at college at North Central. He'll be playing baseball there. So congrats, Swance. Hope ball's going well. I know you're watching this. Yeah, right now I'm going to pick up Danny. We're supposed to go mini golfing, but it's raining right now, and the place closes at 9:30. So I guess this will be a last-minute decision to see if we're gonna go or not. But I hope it stops raining so we can go because this place is really cool. I also just finished my first movie review, so I guess we'll see if we decide to go or not.
Ready?
So we made it.
Yes. Going mini golfing. We're at this really cool mini golf place. You start off, I think you walk into this castle, and it's just really cool. Not like any others.
Yep.
So,
You heard it here first, folks.
it's gonna be a good time. I'm gonna win.
Hey, not even close.
We were so free riding with the top down. Now I'm lonely, fading to the background. It's too late for you to come around. It's too late to come.
We was doing so good, like last week. Caught us making out in the backseat. You were running through my mind like a track meet. Now when I see you around, you be looking past me. You said that you moved on, well that's swell. Then you begging me to come to your hotel. How'd I end up here again, baby? But oh well, I tell myself I won't, then I let myself down.
Everything has changed, I know. It's like it ain't the same no more. Used to ride the fast lane, shotgun. Now I'm in the backseat, caught up. We were so free.
Did it go in the water? It went in the water.
Oh!
What'd you do?
I have to start over.
Did you get it in the right spot? The ball's over there. How did it get over there? How? So Danny's going in for the hole-in-one here. She got it. Ball's gonna come out right here.
Oh!
Danny's going for the hole-in-one right here. She's winding up. She's Tiger. Last one. Right here. Alright, so a little update. That video was taken about a week ago. I'm editing right now. I'm gonna explain this in my next video, but sorry for the no Monday movie review. I hit my head and I've been kind of just resting, not really feeling like editing, so yeah. Next video I will explain what happened, how I hit my head, and yeah, it's a good video, so stay tuned for that. Of course, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video, but if you didn't, then you didn't.